Hello everyone, welcome back to Uxoshelwe, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy stories, and today talking about generation, the legacy. Guys, Mzansi is mourning the death of Umazwi Moroka, who most people fell in love with his character over the years. Ngokwemthombo ithembekile, Umazwi Moroka, portrayed by Musangema, is reportedly fired from the drama for being difficult. Film Pillar reports that Ngema, who plays Umazwi Moroka on the show, was shown the door because of strained relationship with fellow actors and other crew members. Spokesperson Caroline Maposa, trouble started when he was told to work on his pronunciation and stop stuttering when talking. He was offended and allegedly started having a bad attitude. Actor Musangema, it's been a wonderful journey and a memorable experience in which gave me a specified understanding, and I want to thank one of the director, Andres Mahlatse Banda, for allowing me to do what I want with my character. It also goes to the principal director, Ronnie Lennox, he quoted. So yeah guys, that was the reason his character was ended, of which I think he was tired of generation, the legacy. He's been there, he delivered at his given time, and we really enjoy his craft. Ngalo Umazwi, on behalf of my viewers, we will miss you, and we pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu ke avule eminye iminyango for you. Till we meet again on our screen. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.